Alright, we are going to do a water penetration test with the 410, shooting a 410 through 410 slug, Remington sluggers through a Judge short barrel, and then through a shotgun through a longer barrel, and actually see if there is a difference in penetration between the two, how many jugs you're going to go through. I'm going to do the shotgun first, and then I'm going to do the Judge second. So here we go. Again, this is just home defense range because I'm not backing off with that Judge trying to put a slug down here. So here we go. These are Remington sluggers, firing downrange. Let's get wet. All right, here we go. Definitely louder. There we are. Not what I was expecting. Now it's a shotgun. Right here we got the slug. It actually only went through one jug. That was it. That's very interesting. That home defense range, they only went through one. I was expecting carnage, but the slug did turn into shreds, so that is actually kind of cool that it did do that. Didn't stay together, so that means it would cause more damage on the inside. So there's kind of a letdown. Kind of a letdown. Now, going through the Judge, we got one jug. We actually went into two jugs and out two jugs. Very interesting. It did not go through the third jug whatsoever. I got a plant growing under the thing, but it did not. So it went through the short. I'm guessing the rifling had something to do with it, maybe. The slug did not break up at all. That is through the rifling, that's through the Judge, and that's through the shotgun, smoothbore. That penetrated two jugs, did not go into the third, and this one didn't even exit out the first. So that is interesting results on that. Something I was not expecting at all. There you go. Thanks for watching.